How to create a screenshot in Capcut. So simply open your Capcut project and here on the left click on the cover option. Here you have two options. You can select from video, so move your timeline to the video where you want to select the thumbnail, or you can click on local and click or drag an image from your computer. So choose the place from your video where you want your thumbnail, click on edit. It will open you this thumbnail editing area. On the left you have many free templates. You can simply choose one of them. So you can see the preview. If you like it, click on use template and it will add all text and the layout of this template. Here you can add also many shapes, many stickers. You can play with it and it's actually a good thing how to create a thumbnail in CapCut from a video. So that's all. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.